This is it tonight. I cannot even get up. I'm so tired. I've been traveling all day, all the way home from Nashville. Got home, took a bath, took a 15-minute nap, picked my kids up from their dad's house, went grocery shopping, made dinner, made lunches for the week, helped my son who's starting homeschool, did 3 loads of laundry, and I'm tired. So, I can't even get up. But I have to say this. I am deep in reading this book right now. Started on the airplane. I'm already at page 150 or whatever. It's that good. It's that good. So this is one of our newest JOA books. Nicholas Howland wrote this book on the island 9 months ago. It's called An Atheist Prayer, a memoir of gratitude. And it is so damn good. It is so damn good. So 1, you need to go get that book. And 2, it's just like, I don't know, it's woken up a lot of pieces in my heart. And really, today I was just so grateful. Oh, I'm so tired, so I'm just gonna cry. I'm so grateful. Oh, I'm so grateful that God asked me to start a publishing house. Even when I didn't know how to start a publishing house, or even what a publishing house would take. And I was sitting on the plane reading his book, and there was this part that just like caught my heart. And I just started like weeping on the plane. And all I could think of was like, I'm so grateful that God asked me to start a publishing house, that I did, that God asked me to start helping people write books, and I did. And I'm so grateful because it's the most sacred thing I could have ever done with my life. And I feel that. So, 1, go get Nick's book. It's on Amazon. 2, I'm going to go to bed. I got a big week ahead. But I can't think about it. I just stick with my favorite mantra, which is, it's always here. It's always me. And it's always now.